Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Tuesday and we are doing the 52-week challenge. Before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know how much you are going to be putting in. And also, we had so much fun. I thank y'all for commenting on my last video on what number I should put in this week. And we're going to get into that in just a little bit. But if you want to leave your opinion or your input on what number I should do next week, leave the comments down below and then we are going to pick that next week. So anyways, thank you again for everybody who comment about what number I should put in. The most popular numbers that I got was 45, 46, 48, and 49. So what I did was I took the snowflake box that we put our money in for the challenge, and I got these post-it notes that I wrote all the numbers down. So we put this in here. We're going to shake it up, you guys. And we are actually going to pick a number from it. Now, as you can see, I put it sideways because I cannot see what it is. So we're going to pick this number. And let's see what it is. 45. So that is how much we are going to put in. Now, everybody who comment 45 on last week's video, I'm actually going to put y'all on the screen. So thank y'all for everybody who has commented 45 and everybody, really everybody who commented on it. And if they have a channel, make sure you go and check them out because we love supporting everybody. All right, so $45. I had to get $60 just in case. I mean, I can't go over 49, but you know what I mean. All right, so we're going to do 45. So let's see, we're going to have to break some money up. So let's get a 20. Let's see, we're going to have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I love it. Okay, so we're going to do a 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right. Set that aside and get a 20 for that. All right, let's count this one more time. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, so we need $45. So 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. So I'm going to set that money aside, and I'm just going to put that back in my wallet. Or put it back in the bank. I don't know yet. So $45. All right, so let's get our other money together. Are all these the same? Of course they're not the same because I don't know. I liked... Let's see. I hope y'all are having a great week because I am. I hope y'all had a great Memorial Day also. I actually worked all 12 hours of my shift. So that was fun. All right. So $45 is how much we put in. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So $509 is how much we have saved, you guys. Yay! So we are going to color it in. It should be green, and I don't know where my coloring pencil is. So we're just going to use the Erin Condren dual tip markers. We're just going to color in it, and it kind of looks like the green I've been using, so we're just gonna go with it. But anyways, so yeah, we're picking up a lot now. So we've been very busy at work, so I've been getting a lot of overtime and stuff. So that is how my day is going. I hope y'all are up and working out or going to work, doing some chores around the house, anything like that. And it's actually super early in the morning right now while I'm filming this. And something super exciting is about to happen. And I am going to film. I'm probably going to vlog today, so be on the lookout for a vlog coming out soon. And then we are going to be revealing something huge, you guys. And it will be great. So $45 is how much we put in. And just to confirm, 464 plus 45 equals $509. All right, you guys, so that is it. It's kind of all over the place because, you know, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning, and I am trying to film this so I can have it up for you at 5 p.m. But if you want to be on the next comment or the next video, let me know down below what number I should be doing next week, and I will be adding that to the little snowflake box. I will be adding the 46, 47, 48 back into the circulation. So if you would like me to pick your number, make sure you go and comment down below. And if you have a channel, let me know, because I will go and support you guys. And it's never too late to start the 52-week challenge. You can do this, you guys. You can do this. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great rest of the week, and I will see you guys on Thursday for a weekly check-in, Friday hopefully for a vlog, Saturday for a cash envelope, and then starting back on Sunday with a grocery haul. So I will see you guys later. Bye.